In a recent update to DAS, the devs took away the option of opening multiple instances, seriously reducing productivity of its users across the board. This video will show you how to restore that functionality and get you back to working on more than one scene at a time. In a recent update to DAS, the devs took away the option for people to open multiple instances, severely reducing the productivity of people across the board. Now, I personally I've always used multiple instances of DAS, whether it's 2 scenes at once that I'm working on, or even at times I've had 5 open. So removing the ability and the option to open more than one severely affects me, and I know it severely affects a lot of other people as well. Now, this isn't something that's affected me over the last couple of months. It's been in the public beta that's currently available, but I haven't been messing about with this beta. But just last week I updated to version 4.1 to 0.1.117, something like that, and I suddenly couldn't open multiple instances. So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it, because what's happened is that because of a few people complaining about it on the forums, DAS have actually released a script which will allow you to go back to the old functionality of DAS. So what you need to do, you need to go to the DAS 3D website, which you can see the address up there at the top of the screen, and then you're going to have to come across the forums. And when you're over at the forum, you're probably going to have to log in. So you're going to have to click this little button up the top and your login credentials will be all there. And what you need to do, you need to come down to the software category and then on DAS Studio Discussion, give that a click. And then come down to, if I can find it, there it is, DAS Studio Pro 4.12 Highlights. Give that a click. And it's dropped me down to the bottom, so I'm going to have to just scroll up for a moment. What you want to do is look for the post entitled 4.12.1.40 November the 25th 2019, and at the bottom of that post there is a script which, if you hover over it, says launch instant.dse. Give that a click and it will download that script into your designated download folder, which if I then come across to my own, and it will call it this really wonderful, useful name that you can see there. All you need to do is then give it a double click, and it will open this script. Now, as you can see, I've already got an instance of DAS open, but it'll open this little dialog box for you. There's a lot of stuff there that's not really important for what we're trying to do. If you need to follow up on what all this does, then there's a few instructions on the forum there. But what is important is this little checkbox here which says Start Process. Give that a click, press Accept, and as you can see, DAS will now start to open another instance, whereas previously it wouldn't. So now, as you can see, I have 2 instances of DAS open, and everything's back to normal and order is restored in the universe. Thanks for listening in. I hope this has helped you. If so, consider giving us a like down below. It helps a lot with the YouTube algorithm. Even better, why not don't you subscribe while you're here? It'll really help out a lot if you do. Finally, if you have any comments, any questions about this video or anything else about DAS, or anything really, if you just want to have a chat, drop a little comment down below as well, and I'll try my best to answer you as soon as I possibly can. So there we go. That's how you open multiple instances in DAS. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time.